captain's cabin. As you can see, it's not. So this is the bridge right here. They're diesel, and as you can see, they're open, which was not the case in the other Coast Guard vessels at this time. It has its pros and cons. So a pro would be that it's easy to fix something, you can easily see it, or better able to see it. The con would be that we have some more rescue equipment right now. To the British Museum.
Was this actually used?
Yeah. Sharp anymore.